LG has recently unveiled its latest monitor, the 38WR85QC-W, catering to the Chinese market. This cutting-edge display boasts an array of features that combine to deliver an exceptional visual experience for both professionals and gamers alike. At the heart of the LG is its 38-inch 21:9 WQHD Plus curved display. The expansive screen, with a 2300R curvature and three-sided narrow bezel, creates a captivating viewing environment. The monitor's resolution of 3840 by 1600 ensures crystal clear visuals, making it ideal for tasks that demand precision and attention to detail. Equipped with a Nano IPS panel, the monitor guarantees outstanding color accuracy and wider viewing angles. Boasting a DCI-P3 98% color gamut, it delivers vibrant and true-to-life color reproduction. The VESA DisplayHDR 600 certification enhances HDR effects, contributing to dynamic and immersive visuals. Developed with professionals in mind, the LG incorporates productivity-enhancing features. The LG Switch app facilitates efficient multitasking by allowing users to partition the screen into up to 6 segments. The built-in KVM function through dual controller streamlines workflow by enabling control of 2 devices with a single keyboard and mouse. For gamers, the LG brings a 144Hz refresh rate and an impressive 1 millisecond response time, ensuring smooth and responsive gameplay. Compatibility with NVIDIA G-Sync and AMD FreeSync Premium Pro reduces screen tearing and stuttering, providing an optimal gaming experience. The monitor also includes built-in 7W by 2CH MaxxAudio speakers, delivering immersive audio quality to complement the visual excellence. The monitor offers versatile connectivity options, including USB Type-C with support for data transfer, and 90W reverse charging. With USB 3.0, HDMI, LAN port, and more, the LG 38WR85QC-W ensures compatibility with a wide range of devices, providing users with seamless connectivity. Completing the package is the adjustable stand, offering tilt adjustment from -5 degrees to 25 degrees, a height adjustment of 110 mm, and swivel functionality from -15 degrees to 15 degrees. This adaptability allows users to customize their viewing experience, ensuring optimal comfort during extended usage. Catering to the demands of both professionals and avid gamers, the LG monitor offers a perfect blend of productivity features and gaming prowess. Priced competitively at 8,999 yuan or $1,269, this cutting-edge display aims to provide an immersive and feature-rich experience without breaking the bank. While the monitor has generated significant excitement, LG has kept the release date undisclosed as of now. This move keeps enthusiasts on the edge of their seats, eagerly anticipating the moment they can experience the immersive features of the LG firsthand. In conclusion, LG's 38WR85QC-W monitor not only caters to the professional and gaming needs of users, but does so at a competitive price point. With its versatile features, connectivity options, and undisclosed release date, it has the potential to make a significant impact in the Chinese market, providing a compelling option for those seeking a high-performance display. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day and God bless you.